How to use NFL Sunday Ticket from Verizon 2025 or stream every NFL game live. Now, this method is very easy, but first, all I have to do is to make sure or confirm eligibility. This is to ensure that you have an eligible Verizon plan, such as an unlimited mobile plan or a 5G Home Plus, LTE Home Plus internet plan. So for you to be able to check that out is to go into your Verizon account, log in, and make sure that one of the subscription that you had on Verizon is listed on the mentioned earlier. Now, if you just newly purchased the subscription of the Sunday Ticket, you should be able to receive it via the email address associated with your Verizon account. Go into that redemption email, and then Verizon will send a ready to redeem or installation complete email containing a link to the offer. Redeem the offer by signing in into your Verizon account, which is right here, and then select the NFL Sunday Ticket redemption tile and choose to claim the offer. And there you go, you had it. You can watch the games. Once you redeem, you can access NFL Sunday Ticket content through the YouTube app, which is going to be this one here, YouTube TV, or on your preferred streaming device. And that's basically it. That is how you use NFL Sunday Ticket from Verizon 2025.